Hi Dirt Club, today's the day to cut the grass. For the past 2 weeks, it's been raining here in Munich almost every day, and that's given the grass a chance to grow thick and lush. Now, mowing the lawn isn't my favorite part of garden care. In fact, I don't like it at all, but it has to be done. And honestly, I don't let anyone else in my household do it. They tend to run over my plants, and that really upsets me. I usually fertilize in spring, and that keeps the lawn healthy right through summer and into autumn. I've been thinking I'd like to shrink my lawn and make room for more plants and foliage. Right now, it's too much to handle every week. Either the mower should get bigger or the lawn should get smaller. I'd much rather have a smaller patch of grass with more plants, more wildlife. While I mow, I like listening to a podcast. I also wear my heart rate monitor to see what kind of walking workout I've done for the day, and it's a surprisingly good workout. I'm tempted to get an automatic mower, but I love the perfect lines I get from doing it manually. So far, the automatic ones can't match that. I also keep my garden organic because of the hedgehogs in the area. I don't want to harm them. If I can't shrink the garden just yet, I can at least try to shrink the lawn. That's the one thing I seem to have control over.